Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how you can stake your Solana on MarginFi. It's easy to get this done. All you need to do is log on to marginfi.forward/stake, and once you're on the website, link in description of the video, make sure your wallet is connected by using the wallet or the connect icon at the top right. My wallet is currently connected, but you could as well connect yours by simply logging into the platform. And to do this, make sure you have a Phantom wallet, which is your Solana wallet. And once you've opened up your Phantom wallet, so guys, once your Phantom wallet has opened up, make sure you have some Solana tokens available for staking. As you can see here, I've got some Solana tokens which I could easily stake. If you do not have Solana tokens, make sure you deposit some tokens on your wallet or simply buy some Solana tokens from a centralized exchange and deposit them here. So guys, you've got some Solana tokens. What's your next step? How can you stake your Solana on MarginFi? With your wallet connected, simply scroll down to where we have the deposit option and select Solana as your deposit. Once you've selected Solana, enter an amount of Solana tokens you wish to deposit. As you can see here, I've selected Solana as my native staking token. So guys, your next step would be to simply enter an amount of Solana you wish to stake. And once you've entered the amount of Solana you wish to stake, it will be shown as the liquid staking token. It will be converted into the amount of liquid staking tokens you'd be given. So in order to stake, click on the mint option and proceed to approve of the transaction. So click on mint. So guys, your next step is to approve of the transaction, which you can do by clicking on the confirm. So once you've selected confirm, you successfully staked amount of your Solana tokens for some LST, which is the liquid staking token, which are the liquid staked tokens. So guys, once you've been able to stake your Solana tokens, you can as well as explore the lending options. As you stake, you continue to gain the liquid stake token, that's the LST. So once you're on the lending platform, you could easily lend or supply some of your tokens. Let's say you've got some assets on your Phantom wallet, like the Solana, the Bonk tokens, USDC, USDT, Wrapped BTC, Ethereum, and Pyth. You could easily click on the supply option and supply some of the tokens on MarginFi, and by doing that, you gain points. These points in return become your airdrop allocations, which you can easily increase by lending or borrowing tokens on MarginFi, which you could easily do by clicking on borrow if you wish to get some tokens out of MarginFi, and if you wish to lend some tokens, click on the lend option, which is just here. So guys, to supply, you click on this supply icon right here, and you get to supply your JIT-SOL tokens to the MarginFi platform. So all you need to do is enter an amount you wish to supply, approve of the transaction, and you would gain some points. And you gain points when you use the swap feature or the bridge feature that MarginFi hosts. And to check your point allocation, select the point option here. And as you can see, you gain points when you lend. Lending earns 1 point per dollar lent per day. Borrowing earns 4 borrowing earns 4 points per dollar borrowed per day. So guys, your total points are here, which are allocated to your assets based on how you supply, borrow, swap, or bridge your tokens on the MarginFi platform. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question concerning how you can stake Solana on MarginFi, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.